Can you beat all 48 periodic table questions? It starts easy, but only a genius clears the final round. Which shiny metal on the periodic table has the chemical symbol Au? Is it A, silver, B, gold, or C, copper? It's B, gold. Comes from the Latin word aurum. Which lightweight gas is used to make birthday balloons float? Is it A, helium, B, oxygen, or C, nitrogen? It's A, helium. It is much lighter than air. Which element makes up about 21% of Earth's atmosphere and is vital for us to breathe? Is it A, carbon, B, helium, or C, oxygen? It's C, oxygen. It is essential for breathing. Which strong metal is symbolized as Fe and is used to make steel? Is it A, iron, B, aluminum, or C, zinc? It's A, iron. Fe comes from the Latin word ferrum. Which element is famous for making your bones and teeth strong? Is it A, sodium, B, calcium, or C, carbon? It's B, calcium. It builds strong bones and teeth. Which element can turn into both black coal and a sparkling diamond? Is it A, carbon, B, silicon, or C, silver? It's A, carbon. High pressure turns carbon into diamonds. Which reddish-brown metal is used to make electrical wires because it conducts electricity so well? Is it A, gold, B, copper, or C, iron? It's B, copper. It is highly conductive and flexible. When combined with chlorine, which element helps create ordinary table salt? Is it A, potassium, B, lithium, or C, sodium? It's C, sodium. Table salt is sodium chloride. Which precious metal has the chemical symbol Ag? Is it A, gold, B, platinum, or C, silver? It's C, silver. Ag comes from the Latin word argentum. Which noble gas is famous for glowing brightly in colorful advertising signs? Is it A, neon, B, argon, or C, helium? It's A, neon. It glows with a bright light. Which is the very first and lightest element on the periodic table? Is it A, helium, B, hydrogen, or C, lithium? It's B, hydrogen. It is the universe's lightest element. Which element makes up the biggest part of the air we breathe? Is it A, oxygen, B, carbon, or C, nitrogen? It's C, nitrogen. It makes up 78% of air. Which unique metal stays a liquid at room temperature? Is it A, lead, B, mercury, or C, gallium? It's B, mercury. It is a liquid metal. Which lightweight metal is used to make soda cans and kitchen foil? Is it A, aluminum, B, tin, or C, nickel? It's A, aluminum. It is lightweight and rust-resistant. Which element is the main ingredient in computer microchips and sand? Is it A, carbon, B, silicon, or C, germanium? It's B, silicon. It is perfect for computer chips. Which element is added to swimming pools to keep the water clean and safe? Is it A, fluorine, B, iodine, or C, chlorine? It's C, chlorine. It kills bacteria in pool water. Which element, symbolized by the letter K, is found in abundance in bananas? Is it A, potassium, B, phosphorus, or C, calcium? It's A, potassium. K stands for the Latin word kalium. Which bright yellow element is famous for its smelly, rotten egg odor when burned? Is it A, phosphorus, B, sulfur, or C, sodium? It's B, sulfur. It releases a smelly odor. Which heavy soft metal has the chemical symbol Pb? Is it A, lead, B, platinum, or C, tin? It's A, lead. Pb stands for the Latin word plumbum. Which element is often used as a purple-colored antiseptic to clean cuts? Is it A, chlorine, B, bromine, or C, iodine? It's C, iodine. It prevents infection in skin wounds. Which metal is named after a mischievous German goblin and is used in 5-cent coins? Is it A, nickel, B, cobalt, or C, copper? It's A, nickel. It was named after a mythical goblin. Which metal is often used to coat steel to prevent rust in a process called galvanization? Is it A, zinc, B, tin, or C, lead? It's A, zinc. It protects steel from rusting. Which extremely rare and precious metal is symbolized by Pt? Is it A, silver, B, platinum, or C, palladium? It's B, platinum. This metal does not tarnish easily. Which metal was historically mixed with copper to create the alloy bronze? Is it A, tin, B, zinc, or C, lead? It's A, tin. Mixing copper and tin makes bronze. Which strong, lightweight metal is named after the giants of Greek mythology? Is it A, titanium, B, chromium, or C, vanadium? It's A, titanium, named after the powerful Titans. Which highly reactive element is added to toothpaste to help prevent cavities? Is it A, fluorine, B, chlorine, or C, calcium? It's A, fluorine. Fluoride strengthens your tooth enamel. Which ultralight metal is the key component in rechargeable batteries for smartphones? Is it A, sodium, B, lithium, or C, potassium? It's B, lithium. It stores massive electrochemical energy. Which metalloid element was historically used as a deadly poison and green wallpaper dye? Is it A, arsenic, B, antimony, or C, bismuth? It's A, arsenic. It is a famous historic poison. Which element can be found on the striking surface of safety matchboxes to start a fire? Is it A, sulfur, B, carbon, or C, phosphorus? It's C, phosphorus. Friction ignites the red phosphorus. Which metal burns with an incredibly bright, blinding white light when ignited? Is it A, magnesium, B, aluminum, or C, titanium? It's A, magnesium. It creates a bright white flash. Which metalloid element is a key ingredient in making laundry borax and silly putty? Is it A, silicon, B, boron, or C, carbon? It's B, boron. Boron compounds make silly putty elastic. Which metal produces a beautiful deep blue color when added to glass and ceramics? Is it A, cobalt, B, copper, or C, nickel? It's A, cobalt. It tints glassware deep blue. Which naturally occurring radioactive gas can sometimes build up in home basements? Is it A, argon, B, radon, or C, xenon? It's B, radon. It seeps from natural soil decay. Which element is swallowed in a chalky mixture to make your digestive system show up on X-rays? Is it A, calcium, B, barium, or C, bismuth? It's B, barium. It blocks X-rays for clear images. Which metal is used to give car bumpers and motorcycle parts a shiny, rust-resistant mirror finish? Is it A, chromium, B, nickel, or C, zinc? It's A, chromium. It provides a high shine finish. Which halogen is one of only 2 elements on the periodic table that are liquid at room temperature? Is it A, chlorine, B, bromine, or C, mercury? It's B, bromine. It is a reddish-brown liquid. Which metal has such a low melting point that it will literally melt in the palm of your hand? Is it A, gallium, B, indium, or C, cesium? It's A, gallium. It melts below human body temperature. Which metal is famous for forming colorful, iridescent, stair-step-shaped crystals? Is it A, bismuth, B, antimony, or C, tellurium? It's A, bismuth. Oxide layers create the rainbow colors. Which metal has the highest melting point of all elements and is symbolized by the letter W? Is it A, tungsten, B, tantalum, or C, titanium? It's A, tungsten. W stands for the name wolfram. Which rare earth metal is used to make the strongest permanent magnets in the world? Is it A, neodymium, B, samarium, or C, dysprosium? It's A, neodymium. It makes exceptionally strong magnets. Which highly radioactive element is considered the rarest naturally occurring element on Earth, with less than 30 grams existing at any time? Is it A, francium, B, astatine, or C, radium? It's A, francium. It decays extremely quickly. Which element, named after the Greek goddess of the moon, is used in dandruff shampoos and light sensors? Is it A, selenium, B, helium, or C, tellurium? It's A, selenium, named after the moon goddess Selene. Which element was discovered in a quarry in Ytterby, Sweden, alongside 3 others named after the same town? Is it A, yttrium, B, scandium, or C, lutetium? It's A, yttrium. 4 elements are named after Ytterby. Which highly radioactive element was named by Marie Curie to honor her home country? Is it A, polonium, B, radium, or C, francium? It's A, polonium, named to honor Poland. Which radioactive element is the only rare earth lanthanide that is entirely man-made and does not exist in nature? Is it A, promethium, B, europium, or C, terbium? It's A, promethium. It is named after Prometheus. Which element is currently the heaviest, officially recognized entry on the periodic table, with the atomic number 118? Is it A, oganesson, B, tennessine, or C, moscovium? It's A, oganesson. It completes the 7th row. Which extremely rare and unstable halogen is the rarest non-synthetic element in Earth's crust? Is it A, astatine, B, iodine, or C, fluorine? It's A, astatine. It vaporizes itself from radioactive heat. Which heavy metal, once used as a rodent killer, earned the nickname the poisoner's poison because it is odorless and tasteless? Is it A, thallium, B, lead, or C, cadmium? It's A, thallium. It is highly toxic and tasteless. How many did you get correct? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.